You've worked hard your entire life and built up a sizable portfolio. Now the question is starting to creep in. How do I invest this nest egg once I retire so that I can enjoy life without worrying if my money would last into my 80s or 90s? If you're a South African in your early 60s, recently retired or just about to, and wondering whether your portfolio will support your lifestyle for the next 30 years, this is for you. Here's a quick reality check. If you start working at the age of 25 and retire at the age of 65, that's 40 years of work, which approximates to 480 paychecks. But if you retire at age 65 and live until the ripe age of 95, you'll need to pay yourself 360 times in retirement. That's almost as long as your working career. But now, there's no employer, no salary. You're the one paying yourself. So now the question is, how do you do that? The truth is, how you structure your investments after retirement matters even more than what you invested in before. You need the right asset allocation, or mix of shares, bonds, income funds, and alternative assets to protect your lifestyle against inflation and medical inflation, market risks, and unexpected life events. So, what's the ideal investment structure? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple but powerful framework that we use with our clients, one that balances income, growth, and risk in a way that's built to last 30 to 40 years. It's called the 3-bucket investment strategy, and it's one of the foundational building blocks of the retirement master plan that we design for every family wealth client. There are a lot of financial gurus out there on YouTube, Instagram, and the evening news. But are you getting advice from someone who's actually helped real South Africans retire? I've spent the past 15 years not just studying finance, but working with thousands of South African retirees. My passion for retirement planning comes from a very personal place. My mother and both my grandmothers had their retirement savings wiped out, not by markets, but by greed and poor financial advice. That experience changed the trajectory of my life and led me to dedicate my career to helping people retire with confidence and dignity. In 2019, I was honored to be named the Financial Planner of the Year by the Financial Planning Institute of Southern Africa. In 2023, Family Wealth Custodians was named the best new financial planning practice in South Africa by International Advisor. And in 2024, I was recognized as one of the top 50 independent financial advisors in South Africa by Citywire. This is what I do, and today I want to share one of our most effective investment strategies with you. However, it is important to note that this video is for educational purposes only, and it doesn't constitute personal financial advice. Always consult with a licensed financial planner before making investment decisions. All examples are used for illustrative purposes only and based on general assumptions. Before we dive in, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us reach more South Africans who deserve better retirement advice. And now, let's look at how to turn your retirement savings into a structure that works for you, not just the markets. A lot of people ask me, can't I just keep my current investment portfolio and draw income as needed once I retire? Technically, you can, but practically, that's one of the most dangerous things you can do, because the biggest investment risk retirees face today isn't just inflation or interest rates, it's something called sequence risk. Let's take a practical example. Someone who retired in South Africa in early 2016 with their entire retirement portfolio invested in a broad JSE equity index. They had 10 million rand saved, fully exposed to the local stock market, and planned to withdraw 40,000 rand per month, about 4.8% per year, to fund their retirement. Now, here's what happened. In 2016 and 2017, the JSE delivered flat, modest returns. Then in 2018, the All-Share Index dropped by around 8.5%, and the next few years didn't help much. From 2016 to the end of 2020, the JSE's real after-inflation return was close to zero, meaning no real growth. But this retiree was still withdrawing 40,000 rand per month. Over a 5-year period, that's 2.4 million rand withdrawn, on top of a market that was going nowhere or slightly down. By the end of 2020, even though markets hadn't crashed, the combination of weak returns and consistent withdrawals meant that their portfolio had dropped just under 7 million rand. That's a 30% reduction, not because of a single bad year, but because of bad timing and no income strategy. Had they started retirement during a strong bull run, the outcome would have been completely different. That's the danger of sequence of returns risk. You don't feel it immediately, but it quietly undermines your long-term retirement success, unless you have a strategy to protect you. That's why at Family Wealth Custodians, we use what we call the 3-bucket investment strategy, a simple, time-based approach that's part of our broader Family Wealth Retirement Master Plan. But before we get to how it works, if you'd like free content on how to improve your retirement outcome, including tax strategies, investment insights, weekly market updates, and much, much more, then join the Family Wealth Retirement community. You'll find the link in the description below. So, how does this strategy actually work in practice? Let me walk you through the Family Wealth 3-bucket investment framework, step by step. Bucket 1 is for the first 5 years of retirement. This is your retirement paycheck. It's designed to give you predictable, stable income with minimal risk. We use conservative investments like income funds, term deposits, and money market instruments. In today's interest rate environment, this bucket can generate a yield of around 7 to 10%, depending on the prevailing interest rate, which helps cushion your withdrawals and protects you from market volatility. Bucket 2 is for years 5 through to 15. It's your middle retirement bucket. The goal here is to grow your capital steadily and produce income that can eventually refill Bucket 1. This includes a mix of balanced fund, dividend-paying investments, and a selected offshore options. While it carries more risk than Bucket 1, it's still designed for stability and dependable returns. Bucket 3 is your long-term growth engine. Money you won't need to touch for at least 15 years. That gives us the ability to invest in South African equities, global equities, listed property, and alternatives, knowing that even if markets fluctuate, time is on your side. Historically, equity markets have always recovered over a 15-year period, and this bucket is designed to beat inflation and grow your future buying power over time. The beauty of this system is how the buckets work together. As you draw down Bucket 1, the income and dividends from Bucket 2 automatically start refilling it. And every few years, once the markets have delivered growth, we trim profits from Bucket 3 to top up Bucket 2. That way, you're never forced to sell growth assets in a downturn, and your portfolio stays invested, protected, and strategically aligned with your retirement timeline. Some retirees prefer using life annuities or guaranteed products, and those can be part of your Bucket 2. But the structure, not the product, is what gives you the confidence. So let's bring it all together. The real power of the 3-bucket investment strategy isn't just the maths, it's in the peace of mind that it gives you. It gives you structure, predictability, and control in a world where markets can be uncertain and retirement can feel overwhelming. At Family Wealth Custodians, we've used this exact strategy to help thousands of South Africans retire with confidence, and you can do the same. If you'd like free content on how to improve your retirement outcome, including tax tips, investment insights, weekly market updates, or behind-the-scenes planning tools, then join the Family Wealth Retirement community. You'll find the link in the video description below. And if you're not sure how to structure your buckets or where to begin, book a free discovery call with one of our team members. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone else who might be thinking about retirement. Your next chapter deserves clarity, confidence, and freedom. You've done the hard work to get there. Now let's help you enjoy it with a plan you can trust. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.